exercise-induced muscle damage or rhabdomyolysis, we've seen a rapid increase in this in the area recently. It's damage to normal muscles when they're used to the extent that the demand is greater than the energy supply. Low levels of muscle damage are common in ultramarathoners and in individuals going through basic training. But massive trauma occurs when an individual is physically untrained for the exercise and it's increased in a hot, humid environment. The signs and symptoms may be pain and swelling in the muscles, marked weakness, nausea, vomiting, and a general ill feeling. The urine may become dark and may be decreased in output. The diagnosis is confirmed with elevated enzyme levels in the blood and myoglobin or blood noted in the urine. Complications can be elevated potassium causing rhythm problems. Kidney failure occurs in 15% of people, and compartment syndrome, where the pressure inside the muscle compartment is increased. Treatment includes hospitalization for IV fluids to increase the urine output, and sometimes dialysis or surgery to open up the muscle groups to relieve the pressure. This has been Dr. Michael Prevost for TV6's Medical Minute.